Yo, what's up everyone? We are on live now. Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. So let me go ahead and get rid of that. So yeah, boom. Let's do it, guys and gals. Really appreciate it. So yeah, let's go live now. Let's see. Perfect. Alright, so let's get straight to it, guys and gals. Really appreciate you all for tuning back in. 1 second here. So yeah, let's get straight to it right here. So yes, what's up guys? We are back today with yet another one. Let's go, guys. So yeah, today, another great day for the team, another great day for the members. Man, what a great past 2 days. Obviously, yes, I'm pretty much going to be waiting for the end of day for some swings. Did Google hit? So I actually didn't even look at Google. I'll look at that. But yeah, today we had Walmart, we had a little bit of Dollar General, so that worked out great for us. We had the queues. I will be honest, I did miss the queues. I walked away for like, I think I walked away for like 2 minutes, and then my first take profit did end up getting hit, so you can see that. Yo, what's good, what's good? Tesla, yeah, let me look at that. I'll take a look at everything here. So yes, before you enter into my live stream, remember guys, not financial advice, entertainment, education only. So, we'll go over, actually I want to go over SPY really quickly. So a couple of members did end up grabbing, oh wow, would you look at this? Would you look at this? Actually, wow, so yes, we went over this a little bit earlier. For SPY, we did end up targeting until my take profits. Let's see here. So yes, actually we'll go ahead and just break all this down as well. But yeah, what a great day. If you would have to look at my gains page to see what we did today. So man, the swing trades, I love swing trading. My bread and butter. So let's see. Let's go. Actually, yeah, we'll start on the 2 hour. This is on SPY, by the way, guys. And yes, I want to go over my thought process, exactly what I am waiting for. Yo, Sky Guy, what's up, my guy? How are you today? Man, what a beautiful day for the members, beautiful day for the team. Obviously, I can't really show, but if you guys look at my gains page in the Discord, absolutely wild. But anyways, let's go over this. Let's see what we have here. So yes, clear, easy move down with all of these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, this is exactly what we want to the upside. So in order for us to actually take this to the upside, looks like it's trying to tap into this empty space below us right now. So wouldn't be surprised if we end up tapping this 533.34. So yeah, I really don't want to take this move right here, but I personally do see another great move, which is all of these red candles that I would love to take to the upside at some given point in time. So let's see, what is this top wall and bottom wall that we need to break above? So yes, we have this top wall, body candle there, body candle here, all closing at the same exact line, the same exact wick, and I'm personally waiting for a candle body closure above this wall. And if we can end up having a break in candle closure above, I don't see any resistance, guys, until I see this 565.73. So this looks really good, really decent. So right now it's just a wait game. There's nothing for me to do. So yes, all of my trades are pretty much going to be exactly the same. First take profit would still be the middle of the move, and the middle of this move will be the 50% mark. And the 50% mark is where I trim most contracts. Yo, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it, Mar. No worries. So right now, yes, we have a lot of empty space that we could go up and target to the upside. But right now, there is nothing for us to do. Looks like we're tapping into this empty space below. But I would only care about this trade if we break and close over this 559, 51, or, you know, hold above. So right now there's nothing for us to do. That looks pretty good to the upside if we can get that. Yo, Jay, appreciate the follow, man. So yeah, we did SPY. Let's go to, let's see what SOFI is talking about. So yes, we did have SOFI as well. And yes, guys and gals, I can't really show you much, but so these are all, I just want to show you the plays, exactly what I'm targeting, what I am looking for. So basically, yes, Potter boxes and empty space. And that pretty much is, so I went over this, you know, pretty much every single live. But yes, I'm looking for a clear move up of no consolidation. And once we break outside of consolidation, we should end up tapping below very easily. So same thing here. Just me and my charts, what's up, what's up? So same thing here. Clear, easy move up, all of these green candles. We end up breaking below a wall. This was Tesla, this was yesterday as well. Look what happens. We tap into this empty space. So that's pretty much it, what I'm targeting. Yo, Fantastic, what's up, dude? How are you, man? So these blue lines are pretty much all of my take profit. So we'll go over some more examples. So this top wall or this bottom wall here, this first blue line, is pretty much the wall that we need to break. And if we end up breaking and closing under that, you can see my final take profit. My first take profit will be the middle of the move. Dude, actually, Fantastic is in my, he's in the games page today. So honestly, I can't show you what we did here, but if you guys want to see, man, what a great day. Thanks for, dude, yeah, fire, man. I've had FOMO not being in VIP. Be back next week. Great call-outs for sure. Yo, thank you so much, Sky Guy. I really appreciate it. So, yeah, I can't show you what Fantastic did or what we did in the Discord, but, man, what a great, amazing day, bro. So, love it when, you know, the team and I are able to catch some good entries. So, yeah, let's keep going. Yo, Peter, thanks for the follow. Really appreciate it. So, right here, let's see. Man, I'm having a great day, man. I'm having a great one. So yes, what do we see here? Yes, same exact thing for SOFI. So first thing I saw here was this clear empty space move down. All of these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, this is exactly what I want to the upside. So in order for us to actually take this one to the upside, I would need a break over a wall. So yes, top wall here, bottom wall. So where's his top? Where's his bottom? So basically, yes, we're trading from consolidation into the next consolidation. So we can go target here. So right here, there's another top wall there. There's a bottom wall here. And as you can see, the middle, what I circled here, is exactly what I want to target. Yo, Leo, what's up, dude? Imagine trading SoFi out of everything. I mean, dude, if the setup is there, it's going to be great. So we actually caught SoFi, what, last week or something like that? So it really doesn't matter what the setup is. If I see a clear move down of empty space, we end up breaking above a wall, we'll end up targeting to the upside. So it doesn't matter if it's SoFi, it could be DraftKings, you know, clear move down. So I'm looking for the same setup each day. And if the contracts look good, I go buy cheap contracts, and boom, we'll go up and target. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man. No worries. This ain't it, bro. So yeah, no worries. If it's not it, man, you know, there's always another Discord, man. No worries. Or always a new live. No worries at all. So yeah, clear move down of all these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, this is exactly what I would want to the upside. So yes, I already know that we're at this 1172, so there is no entry there. But if we end up breaking above this 1220, I would end up taking this one all the way up until I see resistance, which is this bottom wall here. Yo, Myron, what's up? What's up? Good morning. How are you today? So yeah, right now, there's nothing for us to take. I would personally take this above this 1220 if we can get a breaking candle closure above. So yeah, it doesn't matter what stock I trade. If there's good open interest, if there's volume, we're going to take the trade. Obviously, we even traded Walmart. So we swung Walmart yesterday. And yes, you can roast me for trading Walmart, but if you want to go look at the game. I can't show you, but look at my games page and look at all the members. Look what they did for that. I can't show you much, but if you want to see for yourself, you all obviously can. So yeah, let me look. So let me look at BA. Let me see if it worked out nicely. Oh wow. So yeah, same thing here. No, I didn't get into this trade at all. But yeah. So it doesn't matter what we trade. We're still gonna, if the setup looks clean, we'll definitely take the trade. So boom, what do we have here? Wow, this, yeah, it did end up working out great. So shout out to Simone for that. So what do we see here? We had this clear, easy move up of all of these, or this big green candle. And no, I didn't get into this trade. I was in a couple other ones that ended up working out as well. So this bottom wall here. So bottom wall, top wall, as you can see, we have body candle there. We had a wick there closing at the same line. And all that I was waiting for was a break underneath this wall. And look what happened. We broke underneath this wall under this 172.62. We ended up taking this one down, or I didn't even trade this one. So, but yes, final target was this 162. First target was hit this 167.39. So yes, if you have the empty space and if you break outside of a wall, you should be able to target. And that was pretty good. So shout out to Simone for that one. Glad you ended up catching that. So that was great. So let's go to IWM. Let's go and look at some more trades. And yes, I look for the same exact setups each and every day, everyone. So yeah, let's look. Let's go to, honestly, so yes, each setup is going to look exactly the same. So can't really show you much here. So let's see. 1 second. I want to show you just the charts. So yes, INTC, we had a clear move up. We break underneath our wall. There is no resistance that is going to stop us. And this is how cleanly did we go and tap. So boom, Tesla, same thing. Broke underneath the wall, clear move up. We break under the wall, and that's that. So yes, I want to go over more examples how I personally use Potterbox. MSTR, yeah, let me go over that too as well. I think we had a trade on that earlier too, so yeah. What, MSTR, yeah, perfect. We'll go over that too. And Netflix. All right, yeah, Netflix will be right after this. I did see your comment in the beginning, so yeah, no worries. But yeah, we can look at DGs as well. So I did tell my members, I was like, maybe you guys should claim some profits here. We do have news, so just be careful. So I'm glad we did. But yeah, we'll see. 1 second here. So boom. All right, so what do we see here? Yes, sir. Shout out to Leo. Oh yeah, I gotta do Tesla. So yeah, let me do Tesla and Netflix. So Tesla and Netflix will be next. I got you all. No worries. So yeah, right here, what do we see here? This looks pretty fire, pretty decent. We had a clear move to this downside with no green candles interfering. And yes, this is exactly what we want to the upside. But in order for us to actually target to this upside, targeting into this empty space, I would need a break over this wall. So I see body candle here, body candle there, closing at the same exact line, the same exact wick. And yes, all that I'm waiting for, $4 move up. So IWM doesn't look bad at all. First take profit would be the middle of this empty space, and that is the 50% mark. And that 50% mark is just 202.50. So if we do end up taking above this 200 area, I can end up swinging this to the upside. So that doesn't look bad. Honestly, I may set an alert here. That doesn't look too bad at all. So yeah, let me do Tesla. Let me go ahead and pull up Netflix too as well. Wow, J&J hit, bro. So Netflix, NFLX, perfect. So let me go back to Tesla really quickly. Spy, yeah, let me do Spy too as well. I'll go over Spy. Perfect, no worries. So let's see, we'll go to a, you know what, we actually did catch this to the downside, so maybe there is time for the upside. Honestly, let's see. Oh yeah, okay, so I've been waiting on this trade for quite a while, and this looks fairly decent. So let's see. So this is the 24-hour chart, obviously. And what do I see here, or what did I see? So yes, the first thing that I saw here was this clear, easy move down of all of these red candles with no green candles interfering. Yo, Prado, what's up, dude? Yeah, I'm on Tesla right now. This is on a 24-hour chart, actually. So, so I do like to do swing trades, and yeah, I really want to just swing some more trades. So, in order for us to actually take this to the upside, we need a top wall here and also a bottom wall. So yes, top wall And then I'll use this bottom wall there as well. This looks pretty fire. And we'll go over this. Why do I have this top wall and this bottom wall? So, my first blue line is going to be the wall that we need to break above. And this wall, you can see, points of contact, guys. Body wick there, and a body candle here. All closing at the same exact line, the same exact wick. And yes, I already know that we're all the way down to this 269, so there may not be an entry yet. But at some point in time, if we are above this 297.99, where is my first take profit? And that is going to be where I see resistance. I don't see any resistance, guys, until this 326. So let me go ahead and erase this and show you exactly what I'm targeting to the upside. So as you can see right here, there is no consolidation. So no consolidation at all, trying to reach this target. So if we are above this 297.99, final take profit is this 326. So what, a $30 move up? My first take profit would actually be the middle of the move. And yes, guys, remember, not financial advice. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, nothing like that at all. Yo, thanks for the follow, we appreciate it. So yeah, that's all that I'm waiting for. And all of my setups, we swing trade every single day. If there's a setup that's going to happen. And right here, this is something I would definitely take at the end of the day. So yes, every single trade looks exactly the same. Clear move up, we break below a wall, we should tap. Clear move up of all these, no consolidation. We break below a wall and we end up tapping. So yes, I can't really show you much, but I want to show you just more examples. So I can even scroll all the way up to some different examples here. Let's see, like even Walmart. So let's see, we had a clear easy move up, and if we have a, so yes, if you have a clear move up of all green candles, this is exactly what I would want to take down for puts. And look, we had what happened. We dropped under the wall. We ended up tapping. Obviously, I can't really show you everything, but let's look. So yes, another clear example here. Yeah, no worries, man. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask me. Drop them in the comments. You can join the free Discord. Link is in the bio too as well. But yeah, everyone here is really cool, man. So yes, same thing here. What did I see here? Clear, easy move up. And this was like, what, a couple weeks ago. I just scrolled up to show you an example. We needed to break under a wall. So yes, I wait until the end of the day. So look, we had a clear move up of no consolidation. We had a bottom wall that needed to be broken. So body wick and also body candle. We break under this wall on the 1-day chart, so the 24-hour chart. Look what happens. We went up and we dropped. And that was from this 1018 down to this 981. So over a $30 move. That was actually wild. So yes, I look for the same exact setups each and every day. So let's go back to Netflix. So it really just depends on calls and puts. Let's see here. So yeah, let's see. We'll go down to a 4 hour. Oh wow, yeah, Netflix looks pretty good, man. All right, so same thing here. This is exactly what I would want to the upside. So yeah, let's look. What do we have here? What am I seeing? So I am seeing beauty right here, right now. So let's look. What do I see here? We had a clear, easy move down of all of these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, guys and gals, what do we need? Top wall there, bottom wall here. So actually, I'm gonna use this bottom wall here. So these are better points of contact. So this top wall that needs to be broken in order for us to target into this upside. As you can see, we have, so first blue line will be my wall that needs to be broken. So let me go ahead and make that perfect. All right, perfect. So, and as you can see, body candle here, body candle there. Also, a wick here, closing at the same exact line, the same exact area. And you can see we're consolidating in between these two lines, these two levels. You have to understand, buyers are controlling the bottom and sellers are controlling this top. So yes, buyers need to keep price pushing up and sellers want to keep price pushing down. So if we end up breaking above this 932.34, and sellers get exhausted. So yes, sellers need to get exhausted and we need to break above a wall. Where do I see resistance, guys? I don't see any resistance at all until I see this green candle here. So yes, we have a pretty good, decent move that we could potentially take to the upside at some point in time. Just not right now because we're consolidating. And this is a move. Wow, this is a pretty good move. Let me go ahead and circle this one. So what? Hold on 1 second here. 1 second. Netflix. Wow, yeah, that looks pretty decent. So as you can see, let's look. So first take profit will be the middle of the move. And the middle of the move is always going to be the imbalance, the 50% mark. This is exactly where I trim most contracts, of course. Yo, Dave, what's up, dude? Pretty much, man. Pretty much it, man. Yo, thank you for the follow, man. I really appreciate it. So right now, if we break above this 932, my first take profit is the imbalance, this 949, and this is where these candles could definitely go up and reverse. So yes, that's pretty decent. That looks really good for me. Yeah, that's on the video. So give me 1 second. Let me go ahead and check the Discord and make sure they're all good, striving, things of that sort. Oh yeah, we're good. We're striving, all that good stuff. Let's see. Oh yeah, what a great day, man. I can't show you, but man, if you want to look at the gains page, you can see why I'm so excited today. The members did great today as well. Yeah, you're good. Okay, just making sure y'all are good. So that was on what? Netflix. Tesla looks pretty good. IWM looks pretty decent. Actually, I'll set an alert here. So yeah, let's keep going. So 1 second here. So we went over Netflix. Let's go over. So yeah, you want to go over SPY again? Yeah, we can go over SPY. One more time. No worries at all. So yeah, let's see. Oh wow, so SPY looks like it's trying to break above this wall. So actually we'll go ahead and get rid of all this so you can understand exactly what I'm targeting, exactly my thought process behind these trades. Obviously, yes, not financial advice. Remember to read this before you tune in. But yeah, this looks pretty decent. So right here, same exact thing, same exact play that I am targeting each and every day. And it looks very close. So yes, we had a clear, easy move down of all of these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, so yeah, there is no consolidation here. So where there is no consolidation, this is exactly what I would want to the upside. So in order for us to actually do this, we need a top wall here, bottom wall there. So, and you can see how perfectly these line up. So let's look. Body candle there, closing at that same line. Same with the bottom. Body wick, body candle. They're all closing in the same exact line. So in my mind, I'm like, okay, in order for us to break this top wall, we need a candle closure, a candle body closure above this top wall, this 559. And you can see where these candles are having a very hard time getting over. So if we do end up getting over that wall, I don't see any resistance, guys, until, yes, this 565, or yeah, this 565, 74. So that, yeah, that looks pretty decent. That looks really good to the upside if we can get that entry. So my first take profit would actually be, let's see, the middle of the move. So what is this middle of this move here? So yes, this is the imbalance. So this is a move from this 559 up to this 565. So what, about a $6 move up? Not bad at all, that I can clearly see. So right now we're consolidating in between these two levels. As you can see, this box right here, this area of consolidation, isn't just a box. So I want to break it down a little bit more. So buyers are controlling the bottom, and as you can see, oh, hold on, my bad. So as you can see, buyers are controlling this bottom. Their job is to push price up, and sellers' job. So sellers are going to be at the top. So just remember, sellers are at the top, and their job is to push price down. So once we get to this 559.49 area, their job is to keep price pushing down, not allowing us to target into this empty space. So yes, this is exactly what we're targeting. Candles with no consolidation. So let's look. From consolidation here, we're going to target into the next area of consolidation. So yes, we don't trade in consolidation, we trade to consolidation. So as you can see, we have a clear move of where we need to target. So this is exactly where I would want to take calls. So right now, obviously not financial advice, not telling you guys to buy anything. But if we do end up breaking above this 559, where is the resistance, guys? There is no resistance at all into this empty space. And this looks pretty good. How can I start doing swing trading, Lee? So yeah, so Leo, shout out to Leo, my guy. So I personally use the 24-hour time frame to do all of my swing trades. So for all of these examples, obviously I can't show you much right now, but all of these examples I've shown, yes, I know I'm going over them for a very long time. You can see in the games page about every single trade that we do. And obviously, yes, I try to go for the bigger returns. So yes, we had a clear move up. We're on the 24-hour chart. And I wait until the last hour. So yes, the end of the day is where I get in most of my trades. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second here. And no, I'm not coughing this time at all. So yeah, if you're in my VIP Discord, you pretty much get all of my potential setups. So yes, I will be completely honest. For my positions that I'm really interested in, I will save them for the VIP Discord. It's only because I want to stay, fair for the VIP Discord. If they are in it, I definitely want to do a little bit more for them. But yeah, I still give the free chat, still do a lot of things for the free chat as well. Is there a way to watch this on Discord if you have VIP? So actually, I will post a lot of these entries in the VIP. So I haven't even worked on my watch list yet. So I do have a couple good stocks that I am targeting, that I am waiting for, and that's pretty much it. So yes, if you do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. You can also join. You can join the free chat. The free chat is pretty lit. I do have that promo code for that discount for the VIP. If you do want that, just either DM me for that. That will be ending today, or you can see in the obviously you can see it in this right here, the upgrade to VIP Discord. So oh wow, Lucid going actually wild. So where were we just at? So we were on SPY. So same thing. Oh, John, what's up, dude? Yeah, shout out to John as well. So yeah, in the so the last hour, so the last 30 minutes is when I'll pretty much go live in my VIP Discord. So yeah, not live on TikTok, but live in my VIP. And this is where we'll catch entries together. And as you can see, if you look at the games page, we call it Walmart. I can't show you what we did, but if you want to see, you can see that as well. We caught a little bit of DG as well too. Yeah, no worries, Leo. If you have any other questions, just let me know. If you need a discount code, just let me know as well. CELH, yo, Caden, what's up, my guy? So yeah, let's see. And as you can see, what was I just talking about? Buyers at the bottom, they're controlling this bottom here, and sellers controlling this top. And as you can see, let's look. What did sellers do? Sellers are controlling this floor very amazingly. We did end up rejecting this floor. So all that I'm waiting for is sellers to get exhausted and we break above a wall here, above this 559.49, and I would end up taking this one all the way up until I see resistance. And I didn't see any resistance until this green candle here. So why is this middle line in between my first take profit and my final take profit? So, or my entry to my final take profit. So this is where, this is called the imbalance, and this is where price can go up and reverse. So let's just say we do end up breaking above and we get in calls. Once we hit our first take profit, this is where I trim most of my contracts and I leave the runners. So I leave the rest of the contracts that I didn't sell yet, and I leave them trying to reach the final take profit at a break-even stop loss. So that's pretty much it. Obviously, yes, sellers need to control this level, but if buyers step in and we break above, we have a lot of empty space to go up and target. So that's just pretty much it. We'll go over some more lessons though. We'll go over some more trades. You guys want to see CELH as well. So yeah, we'll go over Tesla again. Just give me a second on that. Oh wow, look at Lucid. Oh man. So yeah, same thing here. Obviously, I didn't get into this trade. I'm new to the Discord. Just join your, yeah, 100%. So yeah, if you have any questions, just give me a DM. So if you are in my VIP Discord, I will post potential setups. Obviously, I can't really show you much here. But yes, I will post pretty much. So the VIP chat, this is, the general chat where you can ask questions about anything. The potential setups is where I will pretty much show you what I'm looking at, the contracts I'm looking at. The swing trading alerts is when, okay guys, we'll get into this trade, we'll get into that trade. So this is for the swing trading alerts at the end of the day. This is for the day trading alerts right here. And as you can see, for the lotto plays, those lotto plays are more of earnings plays. So if I post anything for earnings, those will be in the lottos. Those will be all or nothing. So that's pretty much it. So let's see. So let's go to CELH really quickly, and then I'll go back to Tesla. No worries, Leo. No worries. I got you, my guy. So the targets for Walmart, let me see. So I will be honest. I found the re-entry on Walmart earlier today, and I ended up taking a lot of profits. So that was great. So yeah, let me go over CELH really quickly, and then we'll go over that. 1 second here. Oh, wow. This looks absolutely decent. All right, so personally, it looks like we already tapped into this empty space here. So I just don't want to chase that move. So personally, for CELH, there is another move here that I am clearly seeing. So let's see, what is this? Clear, easy move down of no consolidation. And yes, this is exactly what I would want to the upside. So in order for us to actually take this one to the upside, we would need break over the top wall. We need a bottom. Oh yeah, that looks great. So yes, what did I see here? Top wall. So body candle closing nearly at the same line. We end up breaking above this 40.32. There is no resistance, guys, until this 47.78. So yes, a $7 move up. And this is why I use the higher time frames, because you can get the bigger rewards. And obviously, we did catch Walmart yesterday. Obviously, my take profit stop offset, so I don't even know what's going on right now with it. But you can see, I can't show you, but if you want to look at the work we do, just look at the gains page of my Discord. You can see the members there. We're all working together pretty much. So yeah, CELH, we do have this 44.08. So the middle of the move is exactly where I want to take most profits. So right now, there's no entry for me. Maybe I have an early punchback entry at this 39.12 if we reclaim the floor. But yeah, that looks pretty good. Yo, thanks for the hearts, man. Really appreciate it for tuning in to the live once again. My guy, I really appreciate you. So yeah, that's on CELH. Let's go back to Tesla really quickly. So yeah, we'll go over this example one more time. And oh yeah, let me pull up Google for you. Yeah, I got you, Simone. No worries, no worries. Yeah, let me pull up Google. Oh wow. Wait, hold on. Wait, what? Let me see. Hold on, just. Oh wow. So I didn't get into Google, but let's look what happened here. Look what happened here, guys. We had this clear empty space move down. We broke over my wall. Where are we targeting? Into the empty space. But we'll go over that in a second. 1 second here. Wow, so, Simone, yeah, that was wild. That was a wild one. So yeah, same thing here. What am I seeing here? So exactly what I'm looking at. I do see this clear empty space move down. All of these red candles with no green candles interfering. And yes, this is exactly what I want to the upside. And the only reason why I'm on live is because I do like to catch some trades for the Discord. We went what? We did great on 2 trades today, 2 swings. Ended up claiming lots of profits. So this is why I'm on live. We'll definitely want to teach a lot more and find some more setups. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So what do we have here? First thing that I saw here, and yes guys, not financial advice. I'm only going over how I personally utilize the Potter Box, and that's pretty much it. I'm not telling you guys to buy anything, none of that. So yes, we did have this top wall here. And also, we have a bottom wall there. Actually, you know what? That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. That's cool. Actually, 1 second. I had this bottom wall there. So, yep, perfect. So, yes, what did I see here? CCJ. Yeah, let me look at that. Yo, Mobile, what's up, dude? Haven't seen you in a while. CCJ. Yep, got you, bro. Good to see you again. So, yes, we do have this top wall that we need to break. and I'm looking at points of contact. So yes, the first thing I am targeting, I see this clear move down of no consolidation, and yes, this is exactly what I would want to take to the upside. So right now, if we do end up breaking above this 297.98, there is no resistance until we see this 326.88, and that looks fairly decent to me. I could definitely end up taking that one at some point in a given time. So yeah, let me go ahead and redraw the circle. Let me show you exactly what I'm targeting. So what I circled here, this has no consolidation whatsoever. So once we break over a level, over a Potter box, there is nothing for us to take. Is the Potter box available for everyone? So yes, the Potter box is available for pretty much everyone. You can do it on all time frames. So yeah, all you have to do in order for you to draw this Potter box, so it's just a rectangle. So if you want to do that, all you would have to do is just go over here to geometric shapes. All you would have to do is just go to rectangle, and then boom, you have your Potter box. So, and also if you want to draw the middle line, so yes, you would have to personally add this one yourself. So just double tap it, double click it, and boom, middle line. And obviously I like purple. Purple looks pretty cool in my charts, so you know, I'm gonna keep purple. I want to build up some, yeah, Potter's VIP is good too as well, man. So yes, make sure to go give Potter Socks PBS a follow. You know, join his Discord, you know, buy his course, do all that. Obviously not financial advice, none of that. But yes, you know, that's my guy. He put a lot of hard work in. Great guy, man. So make sure to give him his flowers too. Tell him that I sent you as well. So that's pretty much it. That's my guy. I think he's on vacation right now, so well deserved, man. Well deserved for Potter. But yeah, let's keep going here. So yes, we had this clear move down that we would love to take to the upside. And all that I'm looking for, all that I am needing to do is to break over my level. So this top wall here, we have a wick there, and also a body candle here, all closing at the same exact line. And if we do end up breaking above this 297.98, I don't see any resistance into this 326. But my first take profit would be the middle of the move, which is the imbalance from my entry to my exit, when that is this 312.47. So right now, how would I enter into this trade? So right now, there is nothing for me to do, not financial advice, not telling you guys to buy anything. But personally for me, if we are, so at the end of the day, so yes, the last hour of day, you can ask all my members on why I get in at the last minute, the last hour. So yes, at the last hour of day, this is when I mainly swing trade all of my trades. So yes, if we are above this 297.98, at the end of the day, we have a candle body that's over my wall. I would end up swinging this one into the upside and targeting into this upside, this 326. And yes, you have to understand that market moves after hours. So yes, most of the market moves directly after hours. So this is why we swing trade. And you can see, I want to show you some good setups. So let's look. For SMCI, let's look at this. We had this clear move up, right? We ended up breaking below my wall. And as I said, guys, market moves after hours. What happens? You see this gap right here? We gapped down into my first take profit. So this is why I love swing trading. So same thing here. Obviously, INTC. Clear move up. We broke down below a wall. We gapped a little bit. And yeah, that trade, what, took 3-4 days? Same thing with Tesla. Let's look at Tesla right here. So we had a clear move up. And yes, I'm only showing you the charts, how I personally utilize the method. And as you can see, we had a clear push up, all of these green candles with no red candles interfering. We ended up breaking below my level. And yes, if you're in the empty space, what is going to stop you? Nothing at all. And look what happened. We gapped down. So, and as you can see, this was a move. So yes, I didn't get in at this 268. It was kind of more of a light entry for me. We got around this 264 area. And so you can see the 264. Look where it dropped. 247. So yes, 247 area. Absolutely, absolutely wild. So this is why I always make sure we get in. So yes, shout out to John. Either it works or it doesn't, bro. So, and if it doesn't work, it's fine. We get out and we can find the re-entry. Just like for Walmart today. like some members did end up holding, which is perfectly fine. But I got tapped out and I found the re-entry immediately. And Walmart worked out perfectly. You can see that we swung Walmart. We had some DG as well. So if you want to look at the Discord, and it'll prove to you why we swing trade and why we just wait. We don't have to take a trade every single second of the day. That's just stressful. I don't want to look, 200 years old. I'm only 23, so I don't want any gray hairs right now. So yeah, swing trading is pretty much it. So yeah, we'll go over DG as well. I trust the system. I personally use it. I've seen it work. Yeah. So yeah, if it doesn't work, it doesn't work, and you get out immediately. But you have to understand. Well, you already understand, John. So John, you're pretty good at this. So yeah, if it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. CCJ, yep, got you, bro. We'll go over CCJ right now. Let's see if there's anything here. I got you, my guy. Good to see you again, Mobile. Really appreciate you for tuning back in. All right. And sorry for keeping you waiting. I know I was yapping. But yeah, I'm just pretty excited today. The members did good. I did amazing. So, what an amazing day. So, CZJ. Let's actually, you know what? We'll start on the weekly chart. We'll respect the weekly. So, I don't really see anything on the weekly. And that's pretty much it. So, I will go down to a lower time frame. So, a 24-hour. If I don't see anything on a 24-hour chart, I would go down and go to the 4-hour. So what's up with PLTR? Yeah, let me look at PLTR. Let me write that down for you. No worries. Yeah, so I've written pretty much everything down here. Oh, wow, that looks pretty decent. Not gonna lie. But I want to go down to a lower time frame and try to break this one down a little bit. Okay, personally, yes. I like this here. Even 2-hour. Let me see 1 hour really quick. Oh yeah, 2-hour. I like the 2-hour chart a lot better. This looks pretty decent for me. 43 up to this. Yeah. Okay, cool. And AAL. Yo, Mama Bear, what's up? What's up? Love the username. So what? AAL? Yep, perfect. Can do that for you as well. So yes, it looks like we are trying to tap into this empty space here. To the upside, that looks pretty decent. But I personally will want to take this one. So let's look. We have this. Wow, this is a great wall, great top wall, great bottom wall here. So this top wall that I'm currently seeing here is, okay, body wick, body candle, all closing at the same line. And if we break above this 43 area, where is the resistance? There is no resistance at all. And to this 43.84. And that looks pretty decent for me to the upside. So right now, what would I be targeting? So you can see this clear move down of all of these red candles. So yes, all red candles with no green candles interfering. We have our top wall that was established that needs to be broken. We didn't break above yet. So yeah, we're all the way down to this 41 area. Obviously, yes, we could end up targeting into this first. But yeah, I would love for a break above that 43 area. And I would end up taking this one into the middle of this move, which is this, this 43.42, and that looks pretty decent. Not bad at all. So that is on CCJ. So yeah, that looks pretty good. Just wait for that that 43 area candle closure. Not bad at all. So yeah, let's keep on going. We did CCJ. Let's do what? PLTR and AAL. So hold on. DG as well. So as you can see, I think I probably got tapped out on this one, but we did end up claiming a lot on this. So let's see. Oh wait, no, I probably didn't yet, but we'll see. But yeah, DG, I did tell the members, I was like, yeah, you probably should just go ahead and claim some profits here. We had a lot of news, so I did end up claiming a lot. But yeah, we'll go over that too. What, DG and AAL. Let me go ahead and pull that up too. Yep, shout out to Mobile. Mr. Moneymaker, what's up? Thanks for the follow, man. Really appreciate it. Alright, so for AAL, let's go over this. We're already on it. We'll go over PLTR, DG, all that good stuff. So right here, let's see. Weekly chart, we'll go here. Oh, wow, okay. Alright, so I don't like this weekly chart. How do you decide your contract size? That's actually a good question. So, it really depends on how the contracts look. It also depends on if we have news for the day. So, Like, let's just say if we have FOMC tomorrow, obviously I don't think so. I would honestly have to look. So, let's just say, for example, if we have FOMC tomorrow, but I see a good swing trade that I would love to swing, I would definitely end up taking a light position. Only because, news can definitely affect the market and, alter trades. But I will still end up taking a setup if it's great. If there's no news or not a lot of important news and the setup looks good and the contracts are cheap, the contracts look amazing, that's when I would typically go a lot heavier. And so Monday through Wednesday going into Thursday, I will mainly go heavier into my trades. But Thursday to Friday, when the contracts are expiring for that week, I would end up taking lighter positions. So yes, even during, I don't really like swinging anything heavy over the weekend. So over the weekend, I also do light entries too as well. So right here, what do we have here? So yeah, same thing here, guys. Same thing here. So yes, we do have this clear empty space move down. This actually looks pretty decent though, for AAL. And I'm personally waiting on a break above this 1183. And I would end up taking this one all the way up to where I see resistance at this 1352. But my first take profit would be from my entry to my exit, which is the 50% mark. And it does it perfectly for me. This is where this stock could definitely reverse. What technicals do you use? So I don't use any volume. I don't use any indicators. I only use Potter boxes and empty space. So obviously I can't really show you much. I can't show you what we did here today. But if you want to look at my games page, you definitely can see. This was what, yesterday? We caught Walmart today. We caught some DG today as well. You can look at my games page and see. All swing trades. So yes, I don't care about day trading. I only care about swing trading. So what do we see here? I look for, all I use is a Potter box, so this rectangle, and I look for empty space. So yes, empty space is basically just an area of no consolidation. And look what happens. We go down and tap. Same thing for here. So you can see Tesla, we had a clear move up, all of these green candles with no red candles interfering. And yes, we did end up breaking below my wall here. And look what happens. We're in the empty space. There's nothing that's going to stop us. Boom. That's that. We also have SMCI. So this was the one I actually got tapped out on. A lot of my members did end up holding, but I just didn't really find a re-entry, which is perfectly fine. But yeah, clear move up, all these green candles. We break under a wall. So yes, we had a break under this wall, and we go down and tap. So, and as you can see, we tap very perfectly because, as you can see, if there's empty space above us, if we break below a wall, we should go down and tap immediately. And that's pretty much it. Oh, let me see. Let's keep going. 1 second here. All right. Google, let me see. So yeah, we went over what AAL. Let's go over PLTR. So yeah, PLTR. Yeah, we can do this one. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. Perfect. Let's see. Top. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is pretty self-explanatory as well. So this is on the 2-hour chart too, and this 2-hour chart looks pretty good. So what is the first thing that I'm seeing here, guys? Guys and gals. So yes, if you guys do want to join the Discord, link is in the bio. I do still have that promo code that is still up. That will be ending today. I was supposed to end it last night, but I fell asleep, but it's fine. But yeah, either DM me for that, or you can watch my lives. I'm live every day, pretty much. But yeah, same thing here. What do we see here? Clear, easy move down of all of these red candles with no green candles interfering. All that I'm waiting for, top wall there, bottom wall here. So, as you can see, these walls are perfect. Let's look. Body candle here, body candle there, closing directly at the same exact line. And you can see where these candles are having a very hard time getting over. So yes, buyers are controlling the bottom. Yes, John, so yeah, that is the promo code for the discount. So yes, I'm going to go ahead and pin the comment. So yes, what John Wood just commented, that is the discount code for the VIP Discord that will be ending today. So right here, we have body candle, closing at the same line. If we end up breaking above this wall, where is the resistance? I don't see any resistance until this 88.59. Yo, shout out to John. Thank you so much for the help, man. I really appreciate it. But yeah, we break above that wall. That's what, a $3 move up. Doesn't look bad at all. First take profit will actually be the middle of the move. And yes, the middle of the move is the imbalance, the 50% mark. Yo, thanks for the follow. No, thanks for the gift. Shout out with the W's, yo. Appreciate you, man. So right now, there's nothing for us to do. You can see us. Buyers are trying to gain control here. So buyers are stepping in now. So all that I'm waiting for is, okay, so sellers are at the top. So sellers are controlling this top wall, and their job is to push price down. So as you can see, this was already a box here. And once we came up to this 85, 82, sellers still had control, and this is why price pushed down. So if we end up taking this trade, I need sellers to get exhausted and buyers to step in, and a body candle closure to go above this wall for me to take this all the way up to the upside. So yeah, that looks pretty good. You bought it, yeah. So Blade, that's great. I'm glad you buy, you know, yes. So yes, that's good. That's amazing. So this is why I love buying cheap contracts too as well. So yes, at the end of the day, a lot of these contracts, on why I trade at the end of the day, is because contracts start to get a lot cheaper towards the end of the day. And, you know, market moves after hours, and we end up selling contracts in the morning. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So that was on PLTR. So WMC, so this was a trade that we actually had, still valid too. So let's look. Obviously, I would never chase this play. But if you want to, and the full move hasn't even happened yet. But you can go look in my Discord, go look in my games page. I can't show you, but look at all of my members. Oh my goodness, just I can't show you at all. But you know, I'm only showing you the charts. But go look what we did on Walmart. What did a swing trade do for us? Go look at that if you guys want to see it. So yeah, same thing here, guys. Not financial advice, not telling you guys to buy anything. Obviously, I'm not going to chase this play. So right here, obviously I'm still in, but you know. So yes, clear, easy move down. All of these red candles. What happens? So yesterday we actually did swing this trade. I don't see any resistance above until this 93.67. Obviously, I'm only going over this play just because we've already been in. We already claimed a lot of profits on this. So that's pretty much it. So yes, if you are in my VIP Discord, don't worry, I don't give out my personal setups. That's for only you guys. But yes, what do we have? Clear empty space move down. So I can see it still going up to this 93.67. First take profit this 90.70. Obviously, it did end up trimming a lot though. But yeah, if you want to see what, I can't show you at all on here, but if you want to see what we did, look at the games page on my Discord. Link is in the bio for that. You can join the free version. Honestly, join the free version. Just see. What a great day. That's why I'm smiling. Obviously, you can't see me smiling, but yeah, what a great day, man. So yeah, that play is still intact. So that's, yo, Carlos, thanks for the follow. Yo, Mo, thanks for the follow as well. Really appreciate it. So that was on Walmart. So we did AAL, we did BA, we did pretty much everything. Let's keep on going. Let's see. So we did episode 5, we did pretty much everything. Let's see. Let me see what Costco did. I don't even know what Costco did. Let's see. Come on, Costco. Come here. Where you at, bro? Come on, buddy. Oh, wow. Yeah, so Costco, same thing. I could have even swung this one, so. Oh, wow. Yeah, I should have swung that. That's fine, though. Root, yeah, let me look at, yo, Peter, yo, thanks for that, yeah. R-O-O-T, yeah, let me look at that. R-O-O-T, perfect. Why did my swing on BA lose profits if the stock went from 132 to 133.70? I sold it early. Okay, yeah, let me look at that. So Costco still the empty space, as you can see. Obviously, I'm not even in this one, but yeah. We did end up retesting for this 918. We went all the way up to this 957, so $40 move up, not bad. So yeah, let me look at Root, and I'll pull up BABA for you as well. 1 second, no worries. Oh yeah, Root looks good. We're still gonna wait on. I gotta put an alert there. So yeah, that looks pretty good. So let's see. So what yesterday? So BABA. Yeah, let me look at BABA really quickly. Actually, okay, so what strike price did you buy? So that's also an indication. Also, it could be an indication about what the contracts look like, you know, the volume, the open interest, the IV. Just let me know. Or actually, just send me a DM so I can, you can just send me what the contracts look like. But I did see, yeah, it did spike up, so just need to see that as well. I don't understand swing trading. So pretty much, so I personally wouldn't have swung this one because we were still inside of my area of consolidation. So as you can see, and basically an area of consolidation is where candles are just bunched up together. There's not empty space. But right here, what I circled, so you see this clear move up. So there's a clean move up of all of these green candles with no red candles interfering. So this is not consolidation. And this is also an area of consolidation here. So yes, right here is consolidation, up there is consolidation, but in between these two levels isn't consolidation. So in order for me to actually take this trade right here, I personally would want to take it under this 124.15. And this is where there isn't any consolidation, anything to stop us to go to the downside. So this is the only reason why I didn't swing this one at all yet. So basically, for all of my trades, I personally just wait for an area of consolidation to be broken. So let's look for, I want to look at some different trades. So honestly, I can't really show you any numbers, but I want to show you just the charts. So let's look at this. Actually, you know what? We'll go to CVNA. So for this example, strike was 160. Oh, okay. So that's probably why. The strike was, you know, way out of the money. Obviously I haven't looked at the contracts, but it seemed, yeah. That's the only reason why it probably didn't go as planned, because the strike price was way too high. But yeah, if it does work out and it does fling closer to your take profit, that's when you will start to see more returns in those contracts. But I typically try to go for, you know, I try to go for realistic take profit. So we'll go over this right here. So for CVNA, let's look. So first thing I saw here was this clear empty space move down that I wanted to take to the upside. And as you can see, let's look. I want to show you. Let me go ahead and move this over here so you guys can see. So as you can see right here, let's see. So this 188. This is where the price that we needed to break. My final take profit was this 215. First take profit was this 201. So yes, I go by target-based contracts. So maybe I go, so yes, these contracts will still be a lot cheaper. So maybe I grab some $200 calls. Maybe I grab some, you know, 215s, somewhere close to my final and first take profit. And, you know, you can look at my gains page and you can look, I can't show you, but you can obviously look for yourself. You can see the types of contracts that we tend to buy. We tend to buy out of the money contracts that are close to our target, and we try to bring value from out of the money and bring them in the money. And this is why you can see why my gains page, why, you know, our gains are just, you know, a lot bigger returns. It's because we go by target-based contracts and we buy out of the money. So yeah, personally, I would never even want to buy a contract that's, you know, worth $1,000. I want contracts that are, you know, $5, $20. I want, you know, $30 contracts, you know, $10 contracts, something around there. It's only because, you know, you don't need, you know, big capital to, you know, make some decent returns, and that's pretty much it. Actually, I think, for me personally, I think swing trading is better than day trading, because day trading, it's a lot more quicker moves, and the contracts will be a little bit more expensive. I wish I could show you some examples of the contracts we buy, but I just can't show you any numbers on here. But yeah, if you want to give me a DM, bro, I can definitely explain it to you a little bit more. So yeah, let's keep going here. But yes, if you guys do want to join the Discord, we catch 24-hour swing trades at the end of the day. How far? So Patrick, so that's actually a good question. So APDN, yeah, let me look at that. So I personally buy at least a week or 2 weeks out, and most of our trades happen within like 1 to 3 days, but I tend to buy 1 to 3 weeks out. So as you can see for this example here, we had So all these candles, all these red candles, it took 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 candles. So each candle took 1 day. So it took 4 days for this move to happen. So I would buy a week up once we break above a wall, and as you can see what happened. It took 1, 2, 3, 4. It took 4 days for this move to actually happen to the upside. So CVNA is same thing here. So this move right here, this whole move took 1 day. So it took 1 day for this move down. So once we broke outside of our wall, so we broke outside of our wall, what, on like, I forgot what day it was, like Wednesday. And what happened? So it happened in 1 day. So this full move happened in 1 day. But I would still buy a week or 2 weeks out just to be safe. This is just for my swing trades, pretty much. But 1 second. Okay, not this twerking music. No twerking music today, sorry. Or ever. But yeah, let me go over Root really quickly. I got you. Yo, phenomenal. Thanks for the follow. I really appreciate it. So yeah, let's go over this one right here. And yeah, same exact thing, guys. Same thing I'm pretty much targeting. So yeah, same. Clear move up. All of these green candles. And these, you know, this clear move up took, what, 1, 2, 3. Took 3 days to the upside. So I would expect 3 days to the downside. And let's just say we break under my wall. So we have body candle, wick, body candle closing at the same line. And if we end up having a breaking candle closure underneath this wall, at the end of the day, so yes, not telling you guys to buy anything, not financial advice. I'm only showing you guys how I personally utilize the method. So yes, at the end of the day, if we are underneath this 126.83, I would swing this to the downside, targeting this 113, which is my first take profit. Final take profit is where I see resistance at this 111. So yeah, that looks pretty decent. But yeah, a lot of these trades are pretty much, you know, self-explanatory. But yes, guys, I will be hopping off now. I really appreciate you all so much. I will be doing an end-of-day live stream around 2 p.m. Eastern time. So I really appreciate it. If you guys do want to join the Discord, join the free version, see how you like it. You can talk to the members, see if it's for you or not. Obviously, you can watch my lives. If you want to join the VIP Discord, the comment that I just pinned, or the comment that I pinned, is the promo code for the Discord. So yeah, appreciate you all so much for tuning in. Have a blessed one, guys. In Jesus' name, amen. Or give me a DM if you guys need the promo code. But yes, see you all at the end of the day. Looking for some more swings. Have a blessed one, guys. Thank you so much, John. See you soon. And Blanca, thanks. And for the tube, really appreciate you all for tuning in.